I'm Tyler with Brookins Angling. Today my friend Jake and I are casting jerkbaits or trout. We had great conditions. The water was cool and a little stained. We pushed a ways into the stretch before we got into some bigger fish, but they made it worth the journey.
Oh. It's better than I thought. Yeah. Yeah, I want a net. It's one of those that's got two hooks. It's hooked funny.
You hit pretty close to you?
No, he hit pretty far up. I didn't know how big it was because it was coming right at me, so I thought I had a little fish. Nice.
Oh!
If you can get one behind that log, it's tight, but
I'm sure it can if it's going to be fishable. Oh, still not bad.
I'd probably do it.
Yeah.
There you go. That might be big enough to net.
Yeah, I think so.
That's definitely big enough to net. That's a pretty fish.
Yeah, it is. Come on, buddy. He is not happy.
No, he's hooked in the top. That's why he's fighting so hard. All right, let's kind of having his way with you.
That's a lot nicer than I thought it was originally.
That's a 20. Nice fish.
Oh, I never even felt them. That was a big fish. I don't know if he even got a hook, dude. Yep. Dang it. Yeah, I never even felt them.
Yeah, this is a good little spot. Come on, baby.
Come on back, buddy. That had to have been a bigger fish.
If you want, we can hop up on shore and go around it. Might be a better bet. Come off the end of that tree. No dice.
It's probably the only time he was gonna show himself.
Yep, one and done. Big ones are good for that.
Oh, did you see him?
I saw it.
Damn it, he hit it too, I think. I'm pretty sure I just missed him again like a moron. Scared the
He's
shit
still
out-
there, he's still there.
He's aggressive.
I'm saying this is more fun than walleye fishing. Walleye doesn't get me like that.
No.
Even a 30-inch walleye hardly gets me like
Well,
that.
I caught enough of them that it's
Yep.
like, oh, dude, that was badass. That was like a little shark.
Got him.
Got him that time.
You can go down to them, get underneath them. I hate fighting these things upstream like this. How pretty that fish is.
Oh yeah! Nice work.
Golly, that is a beautiful fish.
Yeah, it is. He wanted it. He was gonna eat somebody.
Nice, that's a good fish. Really dark. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna net it. It's kind of fast. Forgot to put the camera on me.
You're not going nowhere.
Real pretty. Baby. Got this thing keyboard too.
We finished the day with around 25 fish and landed 3 out of the 5 big fish that we moved.